In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from GCash to Wise. First, make sure you have an active GCash account with enough balance and a stable internet connection. Open the GCash app and sign in if prompted. From the home screen, look for the transfer option. This is where GCash lets you move funds out to other accounts. Tap Transfer to begin. Next, choose the local option. This tells GCash you're sending money within the local network of supported banks and services. On the list that appears, scroll or use the search bar to locate Wise. Depending on your app version and region, Wise may appear under its standard name. Once you find it, tap it to open the transfer form. You'll now see fields for the amount and the recipient's bank details. Enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment to confirm the currency and that your GCash balance covers both the amount and any applicable fees GCash may display. Then, carefully type in the requested bank details for the Wise account you're funding. This typically includes the account name and number provided by Wise for receiving funds. Accuracy matters here. Double-check spelling, digits, and any reference fields to make sure the money reaches the correct destination. If there's an optional note or reference field, use it to add a clear label that helps you or the recipient recognize the transfer later. Avoid typing any sensitive personal information. When everything looks good, review the summary. GCash shows on screen. Confirm the recipient name matches what you expect, the amount is correct, and the transfer method is set to Wise under the local section. When you're ready, tap Send Money. Keep the app open while it processes the request. You should see a confirmation screen once the transfer is submitted successfully. It's a good habit to save or screenshot the receipt page for your records, including the transaction reference number. This can help if you need to follow up with support later. Processing times can vary. Many transfers go through quickly, but it may take longer depending on network conditions or verification by the receiving service. If you don't see Wise in the local list, update your GCash app and try again later, as availability can differ by region. For security, always verify details directly inside your Wise account before sending and only transfer to accounts you trust. That's it. You opened your GCash account, tapped Transfer, selected Local, located Wise, chose it, entered the amount and bank details, and sent the money with confidence.